Rationalize the denominator. We have 10x divided by the cube root of 5x squared. Okay, so to rationalize the denominator, when it's a cube root, we need everything in groups of 3 so that they can reduce out of the radical and have no more radicals in the denominator. Then everything in the denominator won't be irrational, it will be rational. Okay, so taking a look at what we have, first off, I have to always multiply by the same thing on the top and the bottom, or else I will change the value of this expression and it'll no longer be equivalent. I have to multiply by 1, so same thing top and bottom. I see a single 5. I need 2 more 5s. I see a 2 x's. I need 1 more x. So on the top, same exact thing. Okay, so let me show you why this works. First off, the top, there's not too much I can do. However, I can rewrite the 5 squared more commonly as 25 next to the x. In the denominator, the product rule, since these are both cube roots, the product rule allowed me to rewrite this as one big cube root. Now, how many total 5s do I have? I have 2 here and 1 here. Let me write them next to each other, 3 5s, and I also have 3 x's. So what I can do now, since it's a cube root, I see a perfect grouping of 3 of each thing. So I can reduce out of the denominator the 5 and the x, and nothing's left in the denominator in a radical. The numerator, for now, doesn't change. I know I can't reduce this radical because I didn't give it enough. I only gave it 2 5s and 1 x, and it's a cube root. I would need 3. Now that I have rationalized the denominator, I do see some simplification. For example, this x divided by x is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So I end up with just an expression 2 times the cube root of 25x. It isn't even a denominator anymore. Now the goal isn't to get rid of the denominator. The goal is to rationalize the denominator. And 5x is rational. It ended up simplifying, and now it's actually over 1, and 1 is rational. So either way, we've rationalized the denominator. When you're dealing with cube roots, you need to get groups of 3. So if you only have 1, like 1 5, give it 2 more. If you have 2 x's, give it 1 more. And then you'll be able to reduce out of the denominator. All right, I hope this helps.